Visits are undertaken to the homes of newborn babies to help the mother take proper care of herself and the baby. In addition to working within the community, Sneha provides clinical training to both public and private health practitioners by introducing standards to ensure that quality healthcare is being provided. These standards include development of a referral system.
The referral system is basically to establish a linkage between the various levels of the health services which come under the BMC. The idea is to reduce the load on the tertiary hospitals and manage maximum patients at the level of maternity homes and general hospitals.
The referral system involves linking each tier to the higher facility for timely and appropriate care in case of any complications in pregnancy and delivery. Referral slips that include investigation details and diagnosis are used to communicate between healthcare providers. Sneha Sure Start has also been the catalyst for the upgrading of the N-Ward maternity home. This includes efforts towards ISO accreditation as well as for a functional operating theatre with the availability of elective caesareans. In addition, Sneha has facilitated the establishment of clinics at 4 of the N-Ward municipal health posts to provide maternal and newborn healthcare within the community.
The other aspect of our model is the accessibility. So, which is why we have started a community resource center. So, these community resource centers are also run by the community itself.
4 community resource centers provide information on different government schemes and procedures, healthcare services available, and how to access them. This includes information on hospitals, ambulances, and blood banks.
मला या CRC मधून एवढा फायदा मिळाला आहे की माझ्या मुलांचे जे जातीचे दाखले आहेत ना ते मिळत नव्हते त्यामुळे मी खूप एक वर्षभर म्हणजे जास्तच खूप वडाताण केली की जातीचा दाखला मिळावा नाही मिळाला मग मी यांच्याकडे आली पौर्णिमा आणि स्वाती दोघीकडे आली मी आणि मग त्या दोघींनी मला सांगितलं की म्हणजे त्यांच्याकडून मला माहिती मिळाली म्हणजे आता आजारी आहेत तर त्यांच्यापासून कॅम्प लावला होता मागे हार्ट चेकअप अस्थमा चेकअप ह्याचं कॅम्प लावला होता मागे तर त्यांनी माहिती मला दिली मग मी सगळ्यांना सांगितलं आणि त्याच्यापासून 20-25 महिना आम्ही गेलो आणि तिथं सगळ्यांनी म्हणजे चेकअप केलं असं या स्नेहाच्या माध्यमातून मला ही माहिती मिळाली.
When we began the Sure Start project, every intervention that we wanted to do began with the process of appreciative inquiry, which meant bringing together all the stakeholders.
Appreciative inquiry is a philosophy that focuses on the positive, a shift from a problem-oriented approach to a possibility-oriented one. It uses stories, drawings, games, and other interactive mediums to identify positive attributes of people and design future plans. In Sneha Sure Start, it was primarily used to build rapport with various stakeholders such as community youth and women, health posts and Sneha staff, as well as with leaders of community-based organizations.
What appreciative inquiry we have seen does is actually make people want to change, and that's what makes it so powerful, that people want to do whatever it is that they need to do to function better. It's a co-creation of a dream which then draws people and saying yes, this is what we want.
नहीं थे तो क्या हम लोग को थोड़ा इतना पहचान नहीं था लोगों से तो हम लोग जाते थे तो थोड़ा उम्र वाले लोग रहते थे तो वो क्या बोलते थे आप क्या काम करते हैं हम लोग को कुछ इतना ये नहीं है हम लोग का ये था कि 7 महीने में हम लोग नाम डालेंगे हम लोग उनको समझाते थे ये टैबलेट से आपको क्या फ़ायदा होएगा टीटी का इंजेक्शन का क्या फ़ायदा ये डिटेल में जब हम लोग उनको समझाते हैं ना तो अभी तो हम लोग को बस्ती के लोगों का इतना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा है उनका कि वो लोग हम लोग को इतना अच्छा बोलते कि चलो अभी और जानकारी दो पहला तो उन लोग नहीं लेते थे लेकिन अभी तो उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग भी एक घर के मेंबर है.
ही तर नुसती सुरुवातच आहे. मला खात्री आहे की भविष्यामध्येही मुंबई महानगरपालिका स्नेहाबरोबरती आणखीन महत्त्वाचे कार्यक्रम करील आणि ह्या कार्यक्रमामधून ज्या गोष्टी शिकायला मिळालेल्या आहेत त्या पूर्ण महानगरपालिकेच्या इतर क्षेत्रामध्येही वापरण्यासाठी या जे आम्ही नॉलेज गेन केलेलं आहे जो अनुभव गेन केलेला आहे त्याचा फायदा होऊ शकेल.
Sneha Sure Start is a milestone on the path of improving urban maternal and newborn health. But it's just the beginning. Future plans include scaling up from the ward to the city level. Lessons learned will be applied to future maternal and newborn health models and will also provide inputs towards influencing health policy. The Sneha Sure Start initiative and these partnerships will continue to grow to ensure more women and their babies have a healthy future.